Man accused of stalking Caitlin Clark says he wants to stay in jail and yells he's guilty as charged in court. Indianapolis, the Texas man accused of stalking WNBA superstar Caitlin Clark loudly declared he is guilty as charged Tuesday before a judge entered a not guilty plea on his behalf. Michael Thomas Lewis, 55, let out multiple outbursts during his first appearance in court since he was arrested over the weekend and accused of making a series of vulgar, threatening online statements at Clark, the Indiana Fever superstar. Moments after Marion County Superior Court Judge Angela Davis called Lewis' case, Lewis, without prompting, shouted out that he is guilty as charged. He later blurted out, "Throw me the bookie, and I'm free. I guess you got the wrong guy," while complaining that his name did not include a junior in court records. Each time Lewis, wearing an orange jail jumpsuit and black sandals, spoke out of turn, courtroom deputies approached him and told him to sit up straight and not to interrupt. Davis read through the charges that Lewis terrorized, frightened, or threatened Clark and caused a reasonable fear of sexual battery. Lewis replied, "Can I say something?" before Davis replied emphatically, "Not yet." Asked whether he has mental illness, he told the court, "I need my medicines." Asked again whether he needed an attorney, he replied that he needed his medications. Lewis confirmed that he cannot afford an attorney and that he is not working. Asked whether he resides in Texas, he responded, "Sort of. I live in my vehicle." He told the court that he has $100 in savings and that his car, a 2016 Toyota Avalon, is worth ballpark 10 grand. Lewis signed court orders agreeing to stay away from Gainbridge Fieldhouse, home arena of the Indiana Fever, and to have no contact with Clark. He was also barred from entering historic Hinkle Fieldhouse, where Clark's boyfriend, Butler University assistant basketball coach Connor McCaffrey, works. "If you violate stay away or no contact orders, the court will revoke your bond," Davis told him. Davis entered a plea of not guilty on Lewis' behalf and ordered him held in lieu of a $50,000 bond. If he were able to come up with that money, Lewis would need to stay in Indiana and wear a GPS monitor, Davis said. But Lewis said he has no intention of posting bail. "I don't want bond, bail, whatever," he said. "I'm here. I'm staying." The court-appointed defense attorney Gavin Utvlugt as Lewis' representative. He declined comment after Tuesday's 15-minute hearing. Lewis is charged with one count of stalking, accused of engaging in a course of conduct involving repeated or continuing harassment of Caitlin Clark that would cause a reasonable person to feel terrorized, according to a complaint filed by Marion County prosecutors. From December 16th to January 2nd, Lewis used X to send a series of vulgar, sexually graphic messages to Clark, college basketball's all-time leading scorer and the WNBA's Rookie of the Year, prosecutors said. Police found him through an IP address linking him to the Hilton Garden Hotel at 120 West Market Street and the downtown branch of the Indianapolis Public Library, according to the court affidavit.